Ola Polkas. Back in here, we have a few that are ready. Oh, beauties. Now, some of these could have used a little bit longer, but we'll let them right in this way. Good grief, it's done. Okay. Alright, so there's my Ola Polkas. Put those on the thing. Alright, I noticed a couple of already tiny tins, so we're just going to grab those. See if there's anything else in there. I don't think so. Oh, so we got a couple tiny tins. And now we're going to harvest the Tumbling Toms. So. There's that. See if we can save any of that. Okay, and there's another plant now. These are Tumbling Toms. So just stick. Oh, no, these are Canary. Okay. This is a Tumbling Tom. So we'll grab that one. Okay. And then these here are Canary. Oh, look at that. Look at that little point on the tip. Isn't that cute? What a cute little tomato. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 canaries down here, and there's more on the plant up there because there's another canary up top. This one's a canary as well, I think. Yeah. It's funny, some of them are a little bit bigger, and then some of them are smaller. No point at the tip. Okay. Running out of hand room. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, we got 2 more in there. Okay, hold on. There we go. And Tumbling Tom. Canary. So these are my canary. Okay, let's put them on the table. Oh, you don't have. Okay, and I'm going in for the tiniest. I don't know why these Bajaja are so tiny. I don't know. The earlier ones we had weren't this small. I don't know why they're so tiny. I'm gonna put the tiny tin down here. Let's flip that guy over. There we go. So here is our tomato harvest for today. We'll weigh it when we go inside. Okay, so first up we're going to taste the Tumbling Tom. Oh god, that's good. That's really nice. It's sweet. The skin has a nice bite to it, but it's not mushy. I really like that. Okay, now the canary. Get it on my shirt. Right here we go. This is the canary. Wow, it's very different. Very bright. It's not as warm because it wasn't in the sun, but it's very refreshing. I don't know if I'd say it might be a sweet, but it's a very different flavor. I don't know. Okay, next up I have the teensy weensy teensy Bajaja. Oh, that one's really, really sour and bitter. I think because it's so small, because the other ones I had were really good before. Okay, and then the Ola Polka. This one's really big. We're going for it. Ready? It's really warm. It's kind of creepy. That's really nice. It's very mellow. Very subtle tomato flavors. Not high acid. Not super sweet. That's really good. That's nice for like a sandwich. I'm going to say for the taste testing today, my favorite, it's a tie between the Tumbling Tom and the Canary. But they're all good. I don't know. It's hard to... You don't really find a bad tomato very often, except for that one Bajaja. I don't know what happened to that one. I'm just going to say something went wrong in the process. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go inside. We're going to weigh this in just a minute, and then we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey Dax, come here. Is it good? So we hit Tara. And here's all the ones that we haven't eaten yet. And that is 221 grams. But I ate one of these, so we're gonna add 51 grams. And then Sydney and I each had one of those. So we're gonna add 24 grams. And then I had one of these. It doesn't even show up. Oh, and then Dexter ate one. So plus another 11. So I will do all the math on that and add it up at the end of the video.